Hi! In this video we are going to see how to work with dictionaries. Dictionaries are a really useful structure that is widely used in Python. A dictionary, in contrast than other structures such as lists or tuples, the elements are not ordered. Therefore, the elements can be located by a key that should be unique instead by a position. Let's define a dictionary, for example, names, and we have to use braces. Inside each brace, we need to put two things, a key and a dictionary. In this case, we can define a key such as a name, let's say Alice, and the value, let's say the age, for example. Then we can define a second element and the age, and a third element and the age. This is a dictionary, so if we print the type of the structure, it will return dictionary. We can use also the brackets in order to obtain the element of a dictionary. For example, we can say names, and here inside we don't have to put the position, since as I said before, there is not any order. In contrast, we need to put a key, for example, Bob. This will return the value of this key, that is 20. Therefore, if we use here a number, this will return an error, since it tried to find out a key number 1. Therefore, there is not any key 1 here, so this returns an error. Let's put again the previous key. We can modify the value of a key in a similar way that we used in lists. In this case, we can use the key that we want to modify and assigning a new value. In this case, if we print the dictionary, we can see that this key has been accessed and the value has been modified. We can see this result. Take into account that this operation also allows us to define a new element. In this case, if we put a key that doesn't exist, this will cause to add a new element in this dictionary. Here you can observe that the key David doesn't exist in the dictionary, and this causes to add a new element into the dictionary. This works in a different way than lists. In addition, take into account that the documentation provides us some information regarding functions and methods that can be used with dictionaries. Here, there are some of them that are useful. For example, items that returns a copy of the dictionary, keys that returns the keys, and value that returns the values. For example, we can print these items, and this returns all the items. The items in pair, key, value, key, value. We can also use the method keys in order to obtain only the keys of the dictionary, and the method values in order to obtain only the values of the dictionary. So this structure is a really flexible and widely used structure in Python. Thanks for watching.